So finally, Sora AI is video generator is here. Remember, I did a video some time ago on this, and here they have officially launched it. But unfortunately, for us, I'm in Nigeria, so meaning that I cannot officially access it for now. But I'm using a VPN, which I'm going to explain to you on how to use. So you can go to your extensions, and I'm using Firefox, but it doesn't matter if you're using whether you're using Chrome or any other browser, Brave or any one of these browsers. This is still going to work. The VPN I'm using is Winscribe. Okay, so it allows us to use uh, this here without any restriction. So it assumes that we are in the US, okay? So let's go out of here for now. Okay, so here, well, to get started, let's click on Start Now, and that is going to take us to the website, the actual website. And here it's, we have to, I think they're using Cloudflare. Okay, so Sora is not available in China yet, so it means that our location has not been set to US yet. So click on our VPN, and we change our location, because you can see it's on autopilot. So let's click here, click on this map here, and that allows you to change the location. So for now, I think the first one, US Central. For the other ones, I guess anyone that has a star, right? It means that you have to, it's a upgrade to use. But for now, let's use US Central, for example. Click on US Central. So as you can see, we have Dallas, Atlanta, Mountain, and Dallas Ranch. So let's go for Atlanta. Any one of these we do. And then you can see it's reconnecting right here. It's connecting to Atlanta. And we have to refresh this. Once it's done connecting, so it's done connecting, let's refresh. Okay, so now you can see it's giving us the option to log in. So let's click on login. So what you want to do is use your Gmail to sign up, or whichever one that you want to. For us, we are using this here. And then you enter your date of birth. So here it presents you with the plans they have. For example, you have ChatGPT Plus, which costs $20 a month. And this is what it includes. You have up to 50 videos with 1,000 credit, and up to 720p resolution and 5 seconds duration and more. And here is the GPT Pro, which goes for $200 a month. And here is all that you have. But for now, we're just going to skip this here. Skip. And what we want to do right now is to supply this with a prompt. Let me explain, okay? So here is just the same thing you have, but here you have library, you have videos, you have favorite, you have uploads, you have new folder. You can create a new folder there. and you have down here you can add a prompt, okay, and then you have a bunch of these settings here. What's all this? Okay, so you have the resolution size, okay, and then here you have the storyboard. So let's go through them one after the other. So here, to start with, I'm going to supply it a prompt to do justice to it. So I'm just going to say a man, let's just say a black, or let's just say an African bank uh, chairman. So I just want to give it a basic prompt. Okay, so let's go to here. So here is, you can generate a storyboard, and here we can generate the video. Just say, now you don't have an active subscription, so this is where we got stuck. So we need a plan to use Sora. You need a plan to use Sora. That is just what I wanted to let you know. Okay. Yes, there's no way to use this for free for now. So the idea here is, if, for example, let me uh, talk to you a bit, okay? Explain this. So if you're paying just $20 a month, it means that you're very limited with just 50 videos a month, which goes for 1,000 credits and 720p. Okay, so you're not getting 1080. But if you're paying $200 a month, you're getting up to 500 videos a month, which is 10,000 credits, and unlimited relaxed videos, and up to 1080p resolutions, 20 seconds duration, and 50 concurrent generations. Download without watermark. Okay, so I guess for these, it's kind of, maybe possibly, I believe it has a watermark, okay, and for this, you're downloading your videos without watermark. So yeah, is it worth it? If you think it's worth it, then pay $200 a month and make use of it. But you think if you think maybe you just want to play around, you can use the ChatGPT Plus, which goes for $20 a month. It depends on your use case. Where I don't, I'm going to pay money to test this out in subsequent videos. But for now, I just wanted to show you how you can access Sora. Even if you're from another country, and from me to you, that is it. And guys, enjoy Sora, and see you next time in another video. Bye bye.